अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि यूनिट सेकेंड हम पढ़ रहे हैं जिसका नाम है एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर। और आज का टॉपिक जो है दैट इज क्वांटम मैकेनिकल मॉडल ऑफ एटम। In order to overcome the limitations of the Bohr's model of atom, a new model of atom was proposed which is called as the quantum mechanical model of atom. ये quantum mechanical model of atom जो है it is based upon the two theories. One is called as the dual nature of matter, or which is de Broglie's equation जो हम पढ़ चुके हैं in the last video lecture. And number second जो है that is based upon the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. According to the dual nature of the matter or the de Broglie's equation, electron जो है that possesses a wave particle duality. It possesses both particle nature as well as the wave nature. वहाँ पर हमने डिस्कस किया था कि we have derived here the wavelength of the electron, that's lambda is equal to h divided by p. इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए हमने ये ऑब्टेन की थी वेवलेंथ. इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है दैट बिहेव्स एज अ वेव एंड इट हैज अ वेवलेंथ व्हिच इज इक्वल टू h डिवाइडेड बाय p, where p h is Planck's constant and p is momentum of the electron. And according to the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, वहाँ पर हमने डिस्कस किया कि Heisenberg's uncertainty principle है क्या. वो ये कहता है कि एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन और एग्जैक्ट वेलोसिटी एट ए टाइम हम कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए. So these two theories they form the basis of the quantum mechanical model of the atom. So here we have the quantum mechanical model जो है basically that deals with the properties of the microscopic particles such as an electron. Electron जो है it is a microscopic particle and it is in motion and hence it behaves as a wave. So the properties of this microscopic particle are explained with the help of the quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics deals with the properties of microscopic particles such as electron. इसी तरह से हमारे पास है दूसरा एक मैकेनिकल दैट्स कॉल्ड द क्लासिकल मैकेनिकल दैट डील्स विद द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द macroscopic objects. So such with the help of with the help of the classical mechanics which is based upon the Newton's laws, वो हम अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए एक नया सा मॉडल प्रपोज किया गया which is based upon the quantum mechanical laws. Those laws were given by the Heisenberg and Erwin Schrödinger. और हाइजेनबर्ग ने दिए हैं हमें क्वांटम मैकेनिकल लॉज which explains us the properties of microscopic particles such as an electron. तो एरविन श्रोडिंगर ने एक इक्वेशन दी है, वेल नोन इक्वेशन which form the basis of the quantum mechanics. And what is that equation? Erwin Schrodinger's equation. Schrodinger's equation हमें क्या कहती है कि that gives us what is Schrodinger's wave equation. It is, आपको ये डिराइव नहीं करनी है, आपको खाली ये याद रखनी है कि है Schrodinger's wave equation है क्या, d square psi by dx square plus d square psi by dy square plus d square psi by dz square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square e minus v psi is equal to 0. ये इक्वेशन आपको याद रखनी है. This is called as the Schrodinger's wave equation. Now what is this psi? It is called as the wave function. तो psi जो है important thing जो है that is psi which is called as wave function. What is this wave function? It is the if the electron it is a wave is a transverse wave. The amplitude of this electronic wave is called as the wave function. This is called as the wave function. Wave function जो है, that's amplitude of the electronic wave is called as the wave function. Now what is this? X, Y and Z, these are space coordinates. Coordinates और इनको हम कहते हैं Cartesian coordinates भी. And what is M? M is mass of electron. H is Planck's constant. E is energy of electron. And V is the potential energy of electron. This is Schrodinger's wave equation. ये Schrodinger's wave equation है कि it is related to the three-dimensional motion of electron around the nucleus that gives the three-dimensional motion of electron around the nucleus is given with the help of the Schrodinger's. This Schrodinger's wave equation explains us the three-dimensional motion of electron around the nucleus. This is Schrodinger's wave equation, and in short form we can also write the another form of the Schrodinger's wave equation is another short form में हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसको? It is delta d square del square psi plus 8 pi square m divided by h square v minus v psi is equal to 0, where this del is called as the Laplacian operator. Laplacian is called Laplacian operator, del. Now this del, it is equal to d square divided by dx square plus d square divided by dy square d z square. Laplacian operator शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम Schrodinger's wave equation को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. And another form of the Schrodinger's wave equation is H operator psi is equal to E psi, where this H operator is called Hamiltonian operator. These are the three forms of the Schrodinger's wave equation. Schrodinger's wave equation है क्या? Basically that describes as the three-dimensional motion of the electron around the nucleus. तो three forms जो है आपको याद रखनी है, derive हमें नहीं करनी है at this level. So we have Schrodinger's wave equation. Schrodinger's wave equation में आपने एक important चीज notice की होगी, that psi, which is called as the wave function. Wave function है क्या? Basically amplitude of the electronic wave, and as such it has no physical significance. Physical significance किस चीज की है? That is square of the wave function. Square of the wave function जो है, that is important, which is called as psi square. This psi square, psi जो है, that is wave function. As such, it has no physical significance. What is important is psi square. Why psi square is called probability. Electron जो है, basically हमें क्या बताना है कि electron की position. Dear students, we have dealt it with the various models of the atom. First हमने पढ़ा J.J. Thomson's model, discard किया गया. That was replaced by the Rutherford's model of atom. Rutherford's model of atom में हमें एक important चीज मिली, that is the nucleus. And then we have the electrons that's present in the extranuclear portion here, and then later on that model was also discarded. देन वी हैव द बोर्स मॉडल ऑफ एटम। वहाँ पर हमने पढ़ा कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो प्रेजेंट होते हैं इन द सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट्स कॉल्ड एज द शेल्स एंड वहाँ पर बोहर ने हमें बोला कि ये पार्टिकल है एंड ही हैज़ गिवन अस द एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन ऑफ द exact position of the electron around the nucleus, but later on that was also discarded by the Heisenberg when the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle come into the existence and the dual nature of the electron was taken into consideration that electron is a wave. So हम ये नहीं बता सकते हैं कि exact position exact कोई नहीं बता सकता है कि what is the exact position of electron in an atom. So in order to know the position, we have not the exact position of the electron in the nucleus, but we say the probability of finding the electron in the in an atom, not in the nucleus, in an atom. So if this is the nucleus, the electron can be present anywhere here because it is a wave. It is not a it behaves as a wave. It is present anywhere in this space. The probability, the finding of electron in this region constitutes its probability. Now what is this what is this space called? The space where the probability of finding the electron is maximum, this is called orbital. So wave mechanical model or quantum mechanical model of atom में हमें एक नई term मिली, that's called as the orbital. Bohr's model ने हमें दिए थे orbits. These were the well-defined circular paths. While as wave mechanics जो है उसने हमें एक concept दिया that is regarding the orbital. Orbital क्या होता है? Orbital एक 3-dimensional space होता है around the nucleus within which the probability of finding the electron is maximum, that is called as the orbital. So we have orbital and हम define करेंगे orbital को. Orbital, it is a 3-dimensional space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum, is called orbital. So orbital का concept दिया हमें wave mechanical model of atom. इसकी कोई वेल डिफाइंड बाउंड्री नहीं होती है ऑर्बिटल की. बेसिकली इट्स अ स्पेस अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलने के चांसेस हमें मैक्सिमम होते हैं, तो उस स्पेस को हम कहते हैं ऑर्बिटल. और एक टर्म आपको यहाँ पर याद रखनी है, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज नोड. नाउ व्हाट इज नोड? नोड इज अ स्पेस वेयर द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फाइंडिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज जीरो. जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलने के चांसेस हमें जीरो होता है, तो उस स्पेस को हम कहते हैं नोड. इट इज अ स्पेस where the chances of finding the electron is zero is called as a node. So this was about the quantum mechanical model of atom. इसमें आपको elementary concept याद रखना है कि quantum mechanical model जो है बेसिकली हम क्यों पढ़ते हैं quantum mechanical model to know the position of the electron. लेकिन यहाँ यूनिवर्स में आज तक हम एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को लोकेट नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है दैट इज ए वेव. तो ये वेव है, तो एक लोकलाइज्ड it is delocalized one. We cannot find the exact position of the electron in an atom. So there is probability of finding the electron around the nucleus, and that probability of finding the electron around the nucleus forms a 3-dimensional space there. That 3-dimensional space where the probability of finding the electron is maximum, that's called as an orbital. So आज के टॉपिक में हमने डिस्कस किया क्वांटम मैकेनिकल मॉडल. Quantum mechanical model is based upon the two theories, that is the wave particle duality, the nature of the matter, and the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. And the important basis of जो है this quantum mechanical model की वो किसने दी हमें, important equation which describes the quantum mechanical model of atom, that is the Schrodinger's wave equation. Schrodinger's wave equation है क्या basically, that gives us the three-dimensional motion of electron around the nucleus. तो वहीं से उसी इक्वेशन से हमें कॉन्सेप्ट मिला, दैट इज द वेव फंक्शन का. वेव फंक्शन है क्या बेसिकली, दैट इज द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेव. इट हैज़ नो फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस, लेकिन अगर हम उसका स्क्वायर लेते हैं तो दैट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी. एंड उस प्रोबेबिलिटी से हमें कॉन्सेप्ट मिला रिगार्डिंग द ऑर्बिटल. तो ऑर्बिटल हमने डिफाइन किया व्हाट इज एन ऑर्बिटल. एंड सिमिलरली वी हैव द अनदर टर्म यूज्ड which is mostly used in case of the in this quantum mechanical model, that is the node. node एक ऐसा रीजन होता है जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलने के चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं या जीरो होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलने के चांसेस. तो उस स्पेस को हम कहते हैं नोडल स्पेस. दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द क्वांटम मैकेनिकल मॉडल ऑफ एटम. इंशाल्लाह in the next video lecture we will go through the quantum numbers. Thank you so much.